In front of me is MEIZU mBlu 21, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Now you need to scroll down to select Passwords and Accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google. Tap on Google Password Manager and select any password you wish to check. Enter your screen lock. Click on this eye icon next to your password and this way make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!